So welcome again to this online tutorial. We want to construct a polygon that's an n-sided figure within a given circle. So when you're given a diagonal, now I want to see how can we go about it. So the first thing, draw the circle that you are given. So for me here, I'm using a circle diameter 40 units, and subdivide this our diagonal. AB is our diagonal, which is the diameter of that circle. So subdivide this diameter into the number of parts or the number of sides of the circle that you want to construct. So if you've forgotten how to subdivide a line into any given number of parts, check my previous video. So here I've done 5 parts, so I want to construct a pentagon. That's 5 parts. If you want 6 parts, that's a hexagon, 7 heptagon. So you divide this line AB into 7 parts. Once you do that, taking point A as the center, and AB as the radius, construct an arc. So construct an arc. I have done that at the top, sorry. Now, taking center point B as the center and AB as the radius, construct another arc. So sorry for that, let me repeat. So taking point B as the center and AB as the radius, now we want to construct our circle. So our arc, sorry. Now the arcs, they have intersected somewhere there at the top, at that point, and that point we can call it point G. So this point where there's 2 arcs have intersected, we call them point G. Now what you do next, draw a line from point G, passing the second division here, passing through point 2 and extend it to the circle. So draw a line passing through point 2, extend through the circle. Good. So I've drawn my line. This is the line I've drawn, passing through point 2. Now join point A. To the point where the line has intersected. Now with that you have the first line, so you take the radius of this line and mark along this circle to get the pentagon. So take your compass, so mark there. So again take your compass, mark there. Again taking this as the center, So like that, and then finally so with that you have your pentagon. I've drawn a pentagon when given the circle. So if you need a heptagon, subdivide the diameter or the diagonal you are given into 10 parts. If it's a decagon, 10 parts. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.